Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen. Thanks so much for stopping in. I'm going to show you how to make the incredible Juicy Lucy cheeseburger. We're going to be starting off with some of Heinen's Always We Care certified ground beef. This is 80-20, so 80% lean, 20% fat. What we want to do is enhance the flavor by adding in some unsalted butter, some garlic granules or powder. Next, we've got some paprika. It's going to add in some color and, of course, some flavors. Next, some Worcester sauce for some natural salts. And then, of course, the most important part here, we want to generously season this up with salt and black pepper. Remember, beef loves salt and pepper. Then we're going to mix this thoroughly until it is completely mixed in and combined. Once it is to this stage, what we want to do is make 4 individual size balls. Think of meatballs. Once they are completely made, we're going to set them to the side on a sheet tray lined with parchment paper or a platter. Then we're going to come back and we are going to smash down each one until it's about a 1/4 inch thick. Then we want to press in the middle. This is to ensure that it doesn't pop up when it is cooking. Next, I've got some Heinen's sharp cheddar. We are going to take that slice, we're going to fold it in half. Then we're going to fold it in half again. We're going to place it right into the center of one of our smashed down burgers. Then take one of the other pieces and we're going to press it right down on top. Now you're going to need to form this a little bit so that they come together and are combined and has a really nice shape like this. Now for the grill, we want to make sure we're in between 400 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're going to add on our Juicy Lucy burgers. And then we're going to cook them for about 6 to 7 minutes per side. We're going to come back after that 6 to 7 minutes and we're going to give it a quick flip. Nice and brown, got some beautiful grill marks on there. We're going to continue to cook them for about 6 to 7 minutes, but with about 1 to 2 minutes left in the cooking process, we're going to add on one more piece of cheddar to each burger. We want these to be extra cheesy. Next, once they are completely melted, they look amazing. We're going to take those out. Let's plate it up. Starting off with toasting up some Heinen's brioche buns. Let's add that toasted bun bottom to a piece of parchment paper or a plate. We're next going to add on some green leaf lettuce and tomatoes. And I've got some Heinen's sliced kosher dill pickles. We're going to add those on there, followed up with some Heinen's crisp cooked bacon. I've got a great recipe video. You can see how I do that in the oven on parchment paper. Then let's add on one of those Juicy Lucy cheeseburgers. Next, for the sauce, Ken's has a great Thousand Island, or what we would call the secret sauce. Generously pour it on there, top off with that extra bun. I'm going to put a little skewer in there to hold it in place. And then, oh my gosh, this thing is absolutely incredible.